Do I need to be out of the way? I'll just be kind of, yeah.
Voy a mover esto también un poquito para ver.
Be careful if you're this one you can't use longer screws because there's a pipe right underneath.
The pipe?
Like
water pipe?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
So just be careful, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I use the same ones.
Okay, good. And there's no cabinet over there, so you can't really fasten anything.
Okay.
Like there's no cabinet, yeah. Yeah, if you need me to, I guess I could cut that. I don't know. I would say the weight is going to keep it down more than the fasteners.
What's up?
Like the weight of the countertop is going to keep it from rotating more than the fasteners. So like the weight of the countertop is probably going to make it stabilize more than the fasteners themselves, you know? Yeah, more than the fasteners, I think. So I don't know, whatever. I don't even see those as being very useful anyway. I think it's more about the weight of the countertop balancing itself. Yeah. No, ese lo va a hacer él.
¿Qué? Muévete los 2x4 en la caja. ¿No lo vamos a llevar así? No, güey, en el carro, güey. ¿Para qué nos matamos?
Oh, was that necessary? I don't know. The cut over there?
Yeah.
Oh, it was? Okay.
I put like a small lip right here.
Yeah, you know, it's funny because I actually talked to Aide about that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and she...
What'd she say?
She said, okay, let's do that. You know, that was a long time ago, but...
I put the lip inside.
That's what I think. Yeah, I think it should be that way too.
Yeah.
But, so yeah, I think it makes sense for it to be that way, right? Yeah, that's cool. Thank you, I appreciate that. It looks good, I think. I didn't know that I was actually going to do it because I didn't think it was necessary. But. So you guys don't need the ramp?
Nah.
Okay.
This is 4x4. This car.
Oh, nice.
4x4.
Yeah, 4x4. Oh yeah, you're gonna. oh yeah. It's just enough to keep it up there, and then you can slide it off. Right. Guys need an extra person, or okay, you guys got it? Okay.
I need a big favor. Can you hold the piece in the middle? Can you receive?
Yeah, hold on a second. Yeah. So I'll get you 3 people. So. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go over there, okay?
Okay. Sorry. That's pretty good.
You cut a little bit more.
Okay.
Like a quarter inch.
All right.
See?
Okay.
You cut this deep. Mete el lápiz, no, güey, para marcarle. Somos. See?
Yeah, I appreciate the handiwork, man.
Yeah.
It works really well.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And this lined up. Wow, that's perfect. That's great. Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, did you use liquid nails or?
Silicone.
Oh, you used it from the back already?
Yeah.
Is it there?
No, it's not in the bottom. I need
You need a position first.
Yeah, position
okay.
first.
Right. Wow. Wow. That's awesome.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
What you put here? Tile?
I'm gonna put the backsplash.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is kind of weird, but I'm gonna put the backsplash from
Here,
here, and there, and then back there too.
Okay.
But I'm gonna finish the extra piece later.
Okay.
Because it's just I'm gonna put this here, and then so 2 pieces, one here for that side, and then 2 other pieces right here and right here.
Good.
I just I measured it out so that it would be clear enough the tile, because I installed the tile. So yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, vamos a ponerle.
Are you guys? I don't know. Did you guys want to cut that, or is that like an additional charge, or
For what?
to cut that? I know you guys didn't. I know that wasn't part of the deal. So
You don't have leftover pieces for that?
oh, it's you. I think that whatever's there is going to be more than enough for that. So that I was going to use that for. Oh, you're saying that we don't have leftover pieces?
No leftover, no. You need to buy one more piece for these 2 pieces.
Oh, to do 2. Okay.
Yeah.
But I could still finish that one, right, myself, and
Okay.
yeah, I think so, right?
Okay.
But you guys, if you guys did it, how much would it be? Like, would it be like another 200 or?
So you wanna do these 2 pieces?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it myself, but I just wanted to see like how much you guys
Okay,
charge.
I charge you.
Yeah.
It depends.
Okay.
Because you need to buy one more piece for do these 2 pieces. You don't
Right.
have it left over.
Yeah, I have something in mind.
What?
A Quartz. There's another place that I went to get a quote.
Okay.
Yeah.
I charge you for these 2 pieces $200.
Okay, 200.
$250, sorry.
Oh, 250.
Yeah.
Okay. To do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'll. Do you mind if I keep that in mind for time?
Yeah,
For another time. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Thanks. And that would also include the leftover piece, right?
What's
to
that?
do the labor for the leftover piece.
No, I charge you only for the island.
No, I'm talking about the 250.
Yeah.
Would, okay. Just curious.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
So, okay. Vamos a echarle un cuartito aquí. Ahí me pasé de recarga. Tengo mucho gusto.
And then I think I'll just do the backsplash, right?
What's up?
The backsplash part, is that
Include?
would that be like another charge, or?
Give me $50 extra for the backsplash.
Oh, for the backsplash. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me $300 and I do everything.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. All right. I'll think about that. And then, Okay. Thanks. Yeah, 350, 250 to do that part. Does that include the? It's gonna be another day, so.
Okay.
And then I was figuring out what to do about the. I guess you'll about the sink. I mean, about the faucet.
Okay.
Did you guys move it over? Or?
Yeah, I moved that faucet. I
Oh,
over there.
oh yeah, over there. Yeah. So there's, I think 11 inches makes sense. Yeah,
11?
sounds like it. Yeah, it was something that's standard. So whatever it takes to have room. So I also have,
11 is okay.
yeah, because I have this too. So yeah, whatever the hole is, and it's a standard gap, right? The air gap is standard.
Yeah, it's standard.
Okay. And wherever
11 both sides, center.
Yeah, yeah. So that it so that you can still access it, right?
Yeah.
So 11 inches would be, let's see, center to center.
Yes.
So where would you so you would do it there, and then where else?
I just cut the whole faucet
Yeah.
from here.
Oh, and 11 inches out there. I know this is like common sense. I just wanted to see if that's reachable. Yeah. I just want to make sure that you can clear it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So. Yeah, that should be good. We have to make sure that you can actually access it.
Yeah, you have access.
Okay. Okay.
And then I need cut this.
Yeah, so you're sure you have access, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
Because you've done this many times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.
So. Ahí está. I need to put the piece in the hole. Can you come in the middle?
Yeah, for sure.
No, ya le marqué aquí. Aquí es donde le tengo que meter.
For the silicone. For the silicone.